Hi everyone, I'm Jia Chenruan, the first year student from MSOR program. I'm going to talk about the 5 C's of Hail's US refrigerator strategy analysis. We all know Hail, the big company. Here are some products of Hail: air conditioner, TV, microwave, coffee maker, refrigerator. Okay, in that Hail case, it talk about a new brand for US market. Yes, Hair has a long-term goal of being leading US and global appliance brand, and it uses strategy of focusing on compact refrigerator to realize its goal. Let's talk about 5 C's first. The 5 C's of market opportunity analysis are customers, competitors, company, collaborators, contacts, and in customers. In customer value, we have total customer benefits and total customer costs. And in total customer benefits, we have product versus personnel in managed benefits. And meanwhile, in total customer cost, we have monetary, time, energy, psychological costs. So let's connect it to our case. And in her case, we have consumers factor. In general, US consumers were brand conscious compared with a well-established breakthrough brand. Here barely has no reputation. In order to gain awareness, Hair has to invest a significant amount in advertising, which is economically invisible, right? As for the nature of demand, the majority of customers will be college students, hotel, and small cafes who don't need a big fridge, so they would focus on the quality. If there are no many big brands. As for the extent of demand, there are still sufficient different types of product that can fulfill specific needs. Thus, I think creating a gap where Hair can easily penetrate into. Okay, let's see the second factor. The competitors. We have brand industry from generate competition. I put some explanation for that. Okay, let's still move to the Hair case. We can see that from the picture, the GE and Samsung and LG took large margin of the market share, and so in competitors, the big 3 US producers already controlled 89% of the market share in 2008. Aside from the big 3 companies, especially targeting the high-end market, such as Zap, Sub-Zero, and LG gained big success. So therefore, it will be extremely difficult for Hair to penetrate, as they would have to invest a significant amount in advertising just to gain awareness. That's not easy here. Okay, let's see the third C, company. A very colorful picture I put here. Objectives, resources, opportunity, and skill. In the middle, we have sustainable profit and goals. Okay, so in Hair case, the company factor is about Hair would not need to make big initial investment, since manufacturing compact refrigerator doesn't require the use of expensive technologies and R&D. And the company focused on competing with the US brand on the quality rather than on price, would enable Hair to make use of its strengths in mass customization to differentiate and then enhance consumer awareness. Okay, let's talk about the context. So someone will ask me, what's context? I'm gonna tell him. Context refers to the external marketing environment. These elements are most often beyond the marketer's control, like technology, social, economic, legal environment here. So in Hair case, the context that the market for full-size refrigerator isn't well differentiated, which means that there are no any clear distinctive features among the products offered by companies, so it would be difficult for the new brand here to stand out. And the potential growth of the compact market is significant, with a sale of 2.5 million units versus an estimate of 1 million in 2008, which would enable Hair to earn increasing profits. Okay, we still have last C here, collaborate. It's about increased productivity and divide required activities. I couldn't find any collaborator feature in Hair case, so I wouldn't talk about it. Okay, this is my presentation. Thank you all for listening.